Domin set out to create a new, stable, state-of-the-art technology suite within the fluid power sector. In order to do this, we knew we had to develop some core technology, and we knew that additive manufacturing would be a real enabling technology in this space.
Renishaw really like to identify opportunities to be involved with emerging technologies and that make positive changes to the industrial world, and recognise that opportunity to work with Domin Fluid. We've helped them right from the beginning of investigating the properties of myriaging steel, right through to investigating the advantages of using our latest technology like the Renishaw 500Q in series production.
So we spent many years testing lots of different prototypes, lots of designs and hundreds of samples. And through this development and this knowledge, we've been able to design a really great, compact, highly efficient, powerful direct drive servo valve.
The ability to build complex parts free of tooling with minimal operations and assembly has been a key enabler for Domin. It's probable that trying to integrate such a complex functionality in such a small design would not be possible at all via conventional manufacturing techniques.
Metal AM really allows you to stretch the art of the possible within the fluid power sector. As an example, Domin's L50 direct drive valve is 25% more powerful, 25% of the size, and significantly more capable. Additive's been a really key enabling technology within this sphere, and without it we wouldn't have been able to achieve all the benefits that this project has brought about. Using Renishaw's multi-laser machine, Domin have been able to bring the cycle time for one of these valves down from 5.5 hours to less than 1. Not only have we significantly reduced the cycle time, but we've been able to reduce the cost of the item to almost 1/3 as well.